ಬಾಳಪಯಣ ಮುಗಿದರೂ ಸ್ಮೃತಿಯ ಪಯಣ ಮುಗಿವುದೇ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಪರದೆ ಚುಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ನಲ್ಮೆ ನಮನ.
Mr. Punit, a very great personality, a large-hearted man who had no enemies, Ajatashatru. He should be remembered every day. An important road to be named after him, Padma Shri to be given, Karnataka Ratna. I think once we are given his father, now he is eligible for that. I hope so. I demand, I request the Honorable Chief Minister to consider this award for him.